Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cash out or withdraw your roundups on Cash App. So the first thing, open your Cash App, then log in into your account, then on the home screen you should find the stocks button. If you don't find it, just click on investing button, then you should find the stocks option. After that, find and tap your roundups holding. Sometimes it is shown as roundups or it is paired across the stocks you brought with roundups. After that, just click on sell, then choose the sell amount. You can usually do a dollar amount. Then all you need is to confirm the sale. After you sell, your money typically moves to your Cash App balance. Go back to the home screen and click on the Money tab, then click on Cash Out or Transfer to move money to your balance. You can either pick Standard or Instant. There is some fee in Instant, then click Confirm. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.